It's Andrew from AppleInsider, and I am wrapping up CES here with the best Find My enabled products, starting off with the new updated Ember Mug. So the Ember car mug, portable mug, whatever you want to call it, travel mug, it now has Find My built in. So now when you leave the gym, you leave somebody's house, you leave the car, it'll alert you if you leave this behind, and you can always find it. The HyperPack Pro is a Find My enabled backpack. Capacity-wise, it is 22 liters. It is a fairly big bag, great for creators with just a ton of nice features built in. But the flagship feature is, of course, Find My. You can see the Find My here right at the top of the bag, and it's located on the outside so that it's easy to hear when you ring it from your phone in the Find My app. There's just a ton of pockets. There's like ballistic nylon on the outside. There's waterproof zippers as well as security zippers that can tie to each other to make it harder for people to get into your bag and steal your stuff while you're wearing it. In the front, there's a ton of pockets, and if you look down below here, there's actually a small spot where you can see some cables, and those are actually routing from the inside to this outside pocket. When we look inside, you'll see they connect to this large 245 watt battery from Hyper. So one can route to the front, one can route to the side for things like a MagSafe puck for mobile charging, and another can route up to the top and through to the back where you can charge an iPad Pro, or your laptop. And of course, everything works with Find My. As I moved over to the Rolling Square booth, we had two new Find My enabled products to check out. This is AirCard and AirCard E. AirCard E is the silver all-metal one, and the regular AirCard is the one that has the clear one side and black on the other side. So both, again, work with Apple's Find My app. All your standard Find My features, the ability to chime them, ability to track them, anti-stalking alerts, all of that. So the Find My E has a replaceable battery. There's a little lock there on the front. You just pull that to the side. It opens up. There are three CR2016 batteries in there that you just swap out. That little black part is where the Bluetooth signal is able to escape through and has a 126 decibel siren. Then on the regular version of the AirCard, it's a slightly quieter siren at 114 decibels, but it does not feature a replaceable battery. Instead, the battery is just built in and it'll last 2.5 years. But this has other unique features. So one side is aluminum, the other side is 9H hardened glass. It has built-in NFC for digital business cards and a QR code. Then we have STM, smarter than most. They have this new bike light, which is very, very cool. So first, your standard stuff, it will flash in a second here, so you have problems with the strobing light, just so you know, but there's a solid light, there's dimming lights you can drop down, and then there is a flashing strobe to make you easier to see at night. But the front of this comes off, just pops off. Behind it is a reflector attached to that permanently affixed mount. Well, I mean, I guess permanent for you. You need tools. But when that is there, it still houses the Find My tag. So you can take the lock inside or the light inside, charge it up over USB-C, but you still have an AirTag hidden inside of the frame for the light itself. Very cool. Track your bike at any time with or without that flashlight part attached. Then ESR. Now I can't actually show you this, but this is coming out later this year, and ESR is introducing the first wallet made of vegan leather that'll house an Apple Find My module. So not an AirTag, but an actual built-in Find My ability. So you can track this thing down using the Find My app. So I can say it's probably going to look similar to the existing Halo Lock vegan leather wallets from ESR, but this will be coming later this year, and I am super excited about it, so stay tuned to AppleInsider for a full review. Other than that, let's check out our other videos from CES.